Welcome back. Today we are going to look at the Revolve feature in the Solidworks. So what actually Revolve is? The Revolve is basically the close sketch is revolve around axis and that form a solid body. So that is a basically idea in software. So it must be closed profile. If you draw it open, then maybe software will give some error out there. So I have drawn you can see two different sketches in one sketch. It's a closed sketch, you can see it's in orange color. It's one region and this is another region, and this is a axis. This is actually a construction line. You can change it, open and do that. You can change that, but this is the construction line. This is used as axis for revolve operation. So we can, I have already drawn the things. So go into the revolve command. Let's revolve, then I will select the axis only. It automatically selects the sketch. um, Computer automatically selected both sketches because it was both sketches was drawn close loop, so they were region. But if you want to have only one region to be selected, then you can go in the selected contours. So go in that drop down, select that, and if you want to have only the like a rectangle or polygon region, then click on that and only that region will be revolved. If you want to have only circle, then go in the circle, or which sketch you want to have, you can do that. It is one more thing also there. You can go again in sketch. I will stretch the circle inside the existing sketch. Now there are three different regions. One is this, another is intersection, another is complete circle. So we have three regions over there. Now we will see how SolidWorks behaves. So go in the revolve command again, select this axis. Now it is not automatically selecting the regions. Now it is saying you have to select the region. So they have different options. Only this, okay, is possible. Then here only intersection is also possible. Then this is also possible. Maybe this and this also possible. So different things is possible. So this is the beauty in the SolidWorks. You can do this. Now I will delete that. This is not important. Now axis. So this is actually a simple revolve blind. You can put the degree in which you want to rotate it. So I will put 180. It will be half from the starting of your base sketch. Then 90 degrees, same. It can be clockwise. Now it is, I think it's clockwise. It can be anti-clockwise, counterclockwise. Is possible. There is another option is up to surface. Then if I select this surface, you can see it's only rotating only till to the surface, and it's precisely taking the shape of that surface. You can see over there, precisely taking the shape of that surface. Uh, One thing I want to tell you regarding this is the sketch must be within the region of stopping surface. If you have a sketch little bit above the surface you want to rotate, then it will give an error. Now is the sketch is little bigger. You can see this region is little bigger than this portion, so it is outside the stopping surface. This is the stopping surface for us. You can see this one, stopping surface. Now we go and revolve, select the axis. Now you can go in the up to surface, click. You can say fail to trim. So surface is not enough, or not surrounded completely to the sketch, so that it is saying that it is failed to trim the revolve. So just keep in mind that this region must be within the trimming surface or the surface you want to up to you want to revolve. Okay. Now you can see it is clockwise is like this, counterclockwise like this. Offset from surface is, yes, it's similar, just to put the how many mm you want to offset from the target surface. I say 4 mm, 1 mm, something like this. It is reverse is it will go inside from that. Then mid plane is simple. So the degree you will say it's a half divided half, so it's 180, so 90 this way, 90 this way, so 90 is clockwise, 90 is counterclockwise. So you say 45 like this. This is increasing in both direction. If I change the degree, it's increasing in both direction. Up to vertex is similar, I think. I haven't have anything. Yes, up to vertex is also same. It will create a plane, and up to that plane it will revolve, something like this. So you want to have a maybe you have a plane and there is a one sketch and there is a vertex. You can select that, and that is the revolve will happen till that point. So that's a thing. Line direction 1, direction 2 in blind. You can say in blind you want to have in one side maybe 60, so counterclockwise is 60, and direction 2 maybe you want to have 25. So it is you have another flexibility over here. Maybe you want to have another side is up to surface, you can select the surface. Okay, so you need to change it. Okay, now this happens. So it is up to surface, and this is it must not intersect what surface you are getting. So one direction should be up to the surface, but another should be there must be some gap from the surface. So if I go 50 degrees, so it is intersecting, it is saying a self intersecting geometry, so it must be less than that, still 40. Yeah, you can say it's marginal gap over here. So that you must keep in mind the same offset from surface is same, or how much offset you need, and then is from reverse or forward, it's possible. So this is revolve. Is I think regarding the contours we already talked that you can select different kind of contour. I think that's it from the revolve. We will see sweep command in detail in next video. Thank you.